National Day.
Every country has its own celebration style.
Taiwan's National Day, October 10th.
The origin of Taiwan's National Day.
Taiwan's National Day, also known as Double 10th Day, is celebrated annually on October 10th. It commemorates the Wuchang Uprising on October 10, 1911, which helped overthrow the Qing dynasty and establish the Republic of China. In Taiwan, this day is marked with grand festivities, including military parades, fireworks displays, and various cultural events.
Celebrations of Taiwan's National Day.
In Taiwan, people display national flags, join parades, and watch fireworks on National Day. The fireworks display in Taipei is especially popular, attracting large crowds. Many people gather with family and friends, enjoying traditional food during the holiday.
Common National Day vocabulary.
Democracy, democracy. Double 10th Day, Double 10th Day. Fireworks, fireworks. Flag raising ceremony, flag raising ceremony. Honor guard, honor guard. Military parade, military parade. National anthem, national anthem. National Day, National Day. Fireworks, fireworks. National flag, national flag. Parade, parade. Presidential office building, presidential office building.
National Day in different countries.
America.
Independence Day, celebrated on July 4th, commemorates the signing of the Declaration of Independence in 1776, marking America's independence from British rule. Independence Day is one of the most important national holidays in the U.S., with celebrations including fireworks, patriotic parades, concerts, and family gatherings.
The United Kingdom.
There is no official national day in the UK. The closest equivalent is the celebration of the sovereign's official birthday. The celebration of the monarch's birthday typically takes place on the second Saturday of June, regardless of the actual birthday. This date is chosen for better weather conditions for outdoor celebrations. The main traditional event is the Trooping the Color, a grand military parade where the king or queen inspects the troops. The royal family greets the public from the balcony of Buckingham Palace, followed by a Royal Air Force flypast.
Japan.
Japan's National Day is the current emperor's birthday. The date changes with each new emperor. The emperor's birthday is one of the few days the public is allowed to enter the imperial palace. Apart from the public appearance of the imperial family, there are no significant celebrations across Japan.
Korea.
Gwangbokjeol commemorates August 15, 1945, when Korea regained sovereignty after being liberated from Japanese colonial rule. Celebrations in Seoul include flag-raising ceremonies, parades, concerts, and fireworks. The president delivers a significant speech reflecting on history and the future.
India.
India's Independence Day commemorates August 15, 1947, when India gained independence from British rule. The Prime Minister delivers a speech at the Red Fort in Delhi, highlighting national achievements and future goals. Independence Day is a very important national holiday. Flag-raising ceremonies are held across the country.
Finland.
Finland's Independence Day commemorates December 6, 1917, when Finland gained independence from the Russian Empire. A presidential reception is held, and Finns light 2 candles in their windows to symbolize independence and freedom.
Where history meets culture.
The national days of these countries are not merely commemorations of historical events, but also significant moments to showcase national spirit, cultural identity, and pride. Each country has its own unique historical background and celebration traditions, and these festivities not only deepen the patriotic sentiments of the people but also provide the world with an opportunity to better understand different cultures and histories.
Happy double 10th day.